Today, everyone is mobile, not only using digital devices, but driving a vehicle. And if you have drivers in your family, especially the young and elderly, you worry. Did they make it to school, to their job, an appointment, or back at home? In other words, are they safe? And what do you do if they don't answer your call or text after several tries? Well, don't panic. Access your TRAK Vehicle Safety and Security System powered by GuidePoint from any mobile device. GuidePoint provides an incredible tool that uses the latest GPS technology to help you keep an eye on your vehicle 24/7, 365 days a year. This advanced stolen vehicle recovery system also functions when the ignition is off. Plus, get a whole new level of control over your vehicle, including low battery and manufacturer's maintenance alerts. Parents receive arrival and departure alerts based on established location boundaries. Set your TRAK device to send predetermined speed limit notifications and alert you if the device is removed. Use TRAK powered by GuidePoint for emergency assistance, valet parking mode, and so much more. You may even qualify for a discount on car insurance premiums. Ask your dealership about purchasing a TRAK powered by GuidePoint Vehicle Safety and Security System today.